Hi, my name is Emily, and tonight me and Adeline read the book Jump by Eric Carle, and she is 3, so this may not go as planned, so the first word we have is hop, the second word is crawl, and the third word is fly. For the first word, for the definition, we said frogs and rabbits hop. So Addie, say the word hop.
Hop.
For the definition, what do you think hop means?
Hop, hop.
And then in the story, it says, frogs and rabbits hop, hop, hop. They like to jump. They just won't stop. Now, what do you think hop means? So now she, of course, is going to get up and hop. Say the word hop.
Hop.
For the second word, we have crawl. Lizards slither along the ground. They crawl and slide as they move around. Say crawl.
Crawl.
And what do you think crawl means?
Babies crawl.
So in the book, it says, lizards slither along the ground. They crawl and slide as they move around. So, of course, now she's going to get up and crawl like a baby. Say the word crawl.
Crawl.
And the last word we have is fly. Owls fly in the dark of the night, then go to sleep in the morning light. Say fly.
Fly.
And what do you think fly means, to fly? She has no response for this. And so I'm going to read her what it says again. Owls fly in the dark of the night, then go to sleep in the morning light. What do you think it means to fly? She just shrugs her shoulders. Say fly.
Fly.